Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a source of income? Digital marketing is your answer. It's essentially using online channels to promote products or services, and it offers incredible flexibility and reach. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new career path, understanding these basics can truly unlock a world of opportunities for you. Let's dive into how you can begin earning online. The first step is picking your niche. Think about what you know and love, then check if there's a market for it. For example, maybe you're passionate about sustainable home decor. Next, choose your main platform. Will you share tips on Instagram, start a helpful blog, or create engaging videos on YouTube? Focusing your efforts like this helps you connect directly with the people who need what you offer. Once you have your niche and platform, start creating content that provides real value. This means sharing helpful tips, entertaining stories, or solving common problems for your audience. Consistency is important. Regularly posting keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Also, remember to interact with your followers, answering questions, and building a true community. This connection truly fosters loyalty. Now, for the exciting part, making money. There are several ways to monetize your digital marketing efforts. You could try affiliate marketing, promoting products you love and earning a commission on sales. Another option is creating and selling your own digital products, like an ebook or an online course. Or you might offer your skills as a service, perhaps managing social media for other businesses. Choose what aligns best with your goals. Finally, remember that digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. The landscape constantly changes, so dedicate time to continuous learning and adapting your strategies. Pay attention to your analytics, see what content performs well and what doesn't, then adjust accordingly. Building a reliable income stream takes time and consistent effort, so stay patient and persistent. You've got this, and the rewards are absolutely worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.